भद्रं
पश्येम
पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैर्गैः
यसेम देवहितं यदायुः
स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ओम शांति
शांति शांति शांति। अग्नेन यशुपथाराय
अस्मान्
विश्वानि देवा वयुवानि विद्वान्
युयोज्यस्मत्पुराणमेनो
भूयिष्ठां
ते नववृत्तिं विधेम।
ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम आप्यायन्तु
अंगानि
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति. So we have been trying to understand the personality of Rudra, the features of Rudra, the Mahima of Rudra, and his manifestations or all pervasiveness of the Rudra Deva. Also, so by Anuvaka, we have been trying to get introduced to the Rudra Mahima, and they put it as a Rudra Prashna or Rudra Adhyaya, where Rudra Agni becomes highlighted. And as we know that this Agni is being worshipped in a big sacrifice called Agni Chayana in the Yajurveda, which has got 7 chapters of formulas, 11 to 18 chapters of Sukra Veda, Vajrasanaya Samhita contains formulas. When we come up to the 16th chapter, there the Rudram appears. It is only to satisfy the extraordinary power or the wrath or anger, Manu of Agni, and see that he becomes cowed down, and therefore that Agni. So, and Agni is so powerful that in the 9th Anuvaka, we have seen him that to be very powerful, that he will be able to give us strength, power, and all kinds of protection, being attendant upon us. Rudra is an attendant. So he watches our movements. If there are any pitfalls in our movements, he will try to lift us up. And we have also noted that 8th Anuvaka is the best central fulcrum-like Anuvaka, where you have got the power of the god Rudra, that not only he is an illumination by himself or a splendor by himself, he also illumines other gods and confers powers on them, and he is present in the rivers, etc. And more important is Shankara and Mayaskara, that he is giving us the material mundane comforts as long as we breathe our life. In addition to that, he will be also giving us scope for the moksha. You know, to get moksha means we should be totally pure, as Bhagavatam or any scripture will tell. It is impossible for us to become pure because the upata duritas are always with us. So what is the role of God? Rudra is able to drop down all those remnant sins still sticking to us, because he will clean up and then sees you that you are given the moksha. Therefore, Rudra is the terminator of all our karmas and sins that we were made to be eligible to become. That's why we made a prayer we make a prayer in the Mrityunjaya mantra, which is the strongest contribution of Yajurveda, rather from the Rudra Prashna. In that, he will remove us from all bandhanas, because it is very hard for us to get rid of the bandhanas, because the bandhanas are always having the sentimental value. See, oh, I have been using it for so long time, I have purchased for a very low price, etc. All these memories come looking at the objects. I remember I have purchased for 11 rupees a 6-yard saree in Calcutta. In 1969, when I visited Calcutta, you can't imagine a saree of 6 yards
Yes, sir.
being sold being purchased was 11 rupees. And so that's the green memory for me, one of the important memories of my Calcutta visit. But if the saree were to be given up, we feel sentimental. No, I presented to her how she is there. So these are all there, but Rudra is an axe. He's a Parasuhasta, and he has got so many arrows and bows and weapons and all that. Because of that, he will not give importance for sentiments, but he will only give importance that we become really benefited and become eligible. And we have got so much of power of Rudra. And yesterday there was a video shown so I was wondering, from the Kailas mountain, Vibhuti was falling down from the heights for some time, and Vibhuti is the symbolism of Rudra, because Rudra is the guardian of the Smashana, or the exit point. So he is called Bhuta. So he knows any and everybody, irrespective of their glory in their living time. When they reach the point, Smashana, then he will have to send them to appropriate places. And that is why Bhasmantam Sariram. So in the 10th Anuvaka, we have seen request to Rudra, because an angry man continues to be angry in spite of many cajoling that we do. Naturally, it is. They remain anger. And that kind of continuation of anger is not a happy thing. Rama is the worst person who does not grow angry, and he always remains composed. And when he gets angry, his anger is only temporary. Strictly speaking, Rama has a lot of compassion to Ravana. But Ravana does not understand the compassion and tolerance power of Rama. So he comes like a grasshopper and falls into the fire of anger of Rama. And then like that. So here, that anger is still be there. And so, but he has to give up his fury, his anger, and become benevolent, graceful, and so graceful that he will have to make a prayer that he has to keep all the ayudhas somewhere in a tree and wear only the tiger skin, and then hold the Pinaka and come and take hold of the protection of us. So we have been teaching Rudra with our prayer that how he should conduct regarding us. We are all devotees to him. He cannot be rash. He cannot be roguish in behavior with those people who think of him. Therefore, he has to be gracious, wear tiger skin and pleasant outlook, and simply shower boons on that. So, on the other hand, we have also noted in the next 10th Anuvaka, 11th Anuvaka at the end, that there are hundreds of Rudras in all the lokas, thousands and thousands of them. And that is what Rudra Parivara, the retinue of Rudra, and they are almost like very much similar to Rudra. They dress like Rudra. They are powerful, as much powerful as Rudra, but they are all subservient to the Rudra, individual God. So thereby, we see there are Rudras who are there in the Antariksha Loka, and they are there in the food, drink, trees, water, and also like that. So for all those and for all those Rudras also, what are we advised? We have to only join our 10 fingers and make namaskara. Namastebhyo, namo rudrebhyah, ye pruthivyam. So there is an enlisting of the locations and the features for identification of various Rudras. And when we close down our hands like this, all our 10 indriyas are being brought together under control. That's whereby we have nothing in ourselves. Dasha prachir, dasha dakshina, dasha pradishir, dashodishir, dashordhva, ebhyo namaha. Understand? Dasha. So 10 quarters and 10 quarters and different kinds of Rudras occupying the quarters, and they are the protectors of the land, pathways, and any and everything. And so they are being Namo Rudrebhyah, all Rudras. That means to say that whenever we think of Rudra, we have to also think of the Rudra Parivara. It is something like Rama and Rama Parivara. Therefore, we have got Sankara introducing, Acharya Sankara introducing Panchayatana Puja. We got Shiva Panchayatanam, Rama Panchayatanam, and so on. So this is where the worship includes to all gods when you pick up all these things. So it's something like concising the worship program connecting to almost all the existent gods. So Pratisi, in this last mantra of the 11th Anuvaka, we have seen that Tebhyaha Namaha, with all our indriyas and our the fingers. The one is Jivatma and the other is Paramatma. So when you join these two hands, I mean all the 10 fingers, it means there is Aikyata. The Paramatma is not disintegrated with the Jivatma, or otherwise in all beings, in all portions of the body parts, Paramatma is dividing and present to protect us. Whether it is a Deva or Devi, whatever it is, there is only one Sat. Ekam Satu Vipraha Bahudha Vadanti is Rigveda. There is only one super personality and governing force, and that only for administrative management, etc. convenience, they get divided, and once they are divided, they get different names also. Like everybody born has got Nama, Rupa, Gopa, Gotra, Nakshatra. Oh, so many identity marks are there for anybody. Even anything, you just name it. Supposing if you bring a dog into the house, you give a name for the dog, Sony or something like that. So anything has got name. So after having made completely 175 namaskaras to Rudra and Rudra Gana, that you should remember. So Rudra Gana or Rudras, then we are ultimately giving a final statement that Namasteno te naha mrudayantu. Let all these Rudras be very compassionate too. That's why we have got Murudeshwar in Dakshina Kannada, we are temple. When you go to Murudeshwara, because of the presence of the great God, Shiva, there you see the ocean also is very pleasant. People can take Samudra Snanam and then go for the darshan of Murudeshwara. Because Murudayantu will take care of us. And moreover, how does the compassion to appear in a form? ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ನಾನು ಕರುಣಾಕರನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕರುಣ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is that you are doing? Ye te ye yam vishmaha yaschano dvesti tambo jambhe dadami. See, I will try as far as possible to bundle up all those people whom we hate and all those enemies who hate us. Both are problems. Whether you hate or somebody will hate you, both are problematic. Something like, so the problem must be, and what is the way? Jamba is the opened yawning mouth. See, into the yawning mouth, it's a big garbage center. So into that, all these fellows are thrown, and this is a very magical expression. You know, in our Veda mantras, there is always the flow of magic. And apart from the science, there is also magic. So you see, what is magic? What you cannot explain is magic. What you explain and reason out is called science. So science and magic, they go hand in hand. When science is not able to explain, the magic appears. And that magic is also clubbed with the philosophy. That's what is called wisdom. So philosophy and magic, philosophy and science, all that is present in our Veda mantras. Therefore, Jambhe Dadhami, the Jambha, the mouth of the Rudra, you don't know the stretching width of that. You have seen a sample, Anjaneya and that Rakshasi, when he was crossing the ocean. So Sarasa, 80 feet Yojana's mouth open, in the Rakshasi. And this Anjaneya also, so much, 80 feet tall he became, or something like that. So Anjaneya, what he did, he simply became smallest, entered into her stomach and got out. Dakshayani Namostute. So like that, that kind of Aishwarya is there. We have the Jambha has got a very powerful historical reference in our own Vedic literature. And it is not simply, that's why Jambhe Dadhami, it's a guha, it's a deep one. And Jambha, I think, can be taken as the opposite of the Hridaya Guha. We have cave in our heart, the Guhyaha, and Hridaya Gahvare. And also we have noted Gartasadam Yuvanam. So we have noted where is Rudra? All places said and done. Kailasa are here, there, everywhere. But he is there in the Garta, in our Hridaya Garta, in our heart, quite deep. So our endeavor is to bring out that Hridaya Gata Rudra and make prashit. So with these words, let us go with the 11th Anuvaka. So Suryanarayana, please repeat one time, then we'll explain. Om Triyambakam Yajamahe. Anybody?
Om Triyambakam Yajamahe
Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukam
Triyambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat
Mrityo Mukshiya Mamrutadu
Mrityor Bhukshiyamamrutat
Yo Rudro Agnau Yo Apsu Ya Oshadhisho
Yo Rudra Agdhav Yo Apsu Yo Oshadishu
Yo Rudro Vishwabhuvana Vivesha
Yo Rudra Vishwa Bhuvana Vivesha
Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu.
Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu.
So here in these two mantras, you are seeing that we have to yajamahe. Yaj means to worship, to honor, and to show, to respect the honor. Yajamahe. But Rudra is having the Agni Netra, Triyambaka, the three eyes, one Agni, Surya, and Chandra. So cool, hot, and all energy. And moreover, he is called as Sugandhi. divine fragrance. The fragrance that is available to us upon the earth is something, but the fragrance that Paramatma Rudra is called divine. See, what is divine is serene. What is serene is permanent. The constantly there. For example, the Prithvi also has got Sugandha, but Prithvi Gandha you are able to listen. I mean, scent only when there are rains, when it is very much heated up. So that we call as Prithvi Gandha. But the Rudra Gandha, otherwise called Sugandha, is called divine fragrance. And in what more is Pushti Vardhanam. So his power, he has got Pushti, that Rudra has got a very powerful powerful nature as to make everybody blessed with a number of plenitude of wealth and happiness and prosperity and emancipation. So Mokshadayakaha Saha, that's why he is called Pushti. Pushti is opposite of Daridra. Daridram Nila Lohita. See, we have already come across the expression that Rudra is able to give the death. He's a death god also. And those sinners, he will make them suffer more. And he will also cause poverty to those people who do not at all conduct their behavior properly according to required rules of discipline. So such Rudra, as a part of decorativity, is also Pushti Vardhana. So there we have seen Drape, Andhasaspate, Daridran Nila Lohita. There we have noted that Drape Shabda. But opposite of Drape is Pushti Vardhana. If at all little, whenever you take to worship, whenever you pay attention to Rudra, he will make us bettered. That's why not battered, but we are made better. So Pushti Vardhanam. And Vardhana Shabda, you should mark that it is not one time doing it. It's a constant flow. That's why, we do Vardhantis every year, annual day celebrations. So that means that the annual day or birthday or whatever celebration is going to be continuous so long the Jivi lives. And afterwards also we do it a death ceremony or death celebration. So death anniversary, people do it. All big people will have the death. And sometime, at one time, we used to get holiday on the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi and also on the death date. But somehow things have all changed. We are only having October 2nd as the birth date of Gandhi, only one day holiday in India. 2 days became 1 day. So death is not taken. So those who are born, death is subsequent. Therefore, but our Rudra, as long as we breathe our life, even when we are retired from our life, from our body, even then Rudra is the guardian of us. That's why whether you are living or non-living, Rudra is our constant companion and Pushtivardhana. Therefore, and moreover, bandhana, the bandhanas are there, very glue, and they are like the fruit or strawberry or blueberry or whatever it is, sticking to the plant, but it should get itself removed of that. Muchiya. See, muchiya means normally the fruit from the creeper will not automatically get out. It will die being connected to the twig, but never get separated like a dry flower, leaf. You know the nature of the leaves. Parnyayacha, Parnasajyayacha. See, the Parnas, when their time remaining on the branch of the tree is over, it becomes older, it becomes yellow, then that Parna automatically falls down. But in case of human beings or the bandhanas or some such like brinjal or gourd or anything like that, అది తీగ నుంచి తనకి తానే బంధం నుంచి విముక్తి అవ్వదు. One has to go and pull. Unless you pull to separate, it will not be separated. That's why the word muchiya is the word. See, the word muchiya means that Rudra, however attractive are the things in the world, you get attached to that because of our indriya power. So our indriyas must be kept under control, kept under retardation and vanishing. But that's a hard job. But that hard job, Rudra will help us to do it. That's why more and more as age advances, we are all advised to become Tyagins, in the sense that Vairagya. Raga is there up to 50, 60 years. But all that raga must go. That's why Shankaracharya in Bhajagovinda Stotram beautifully said, Yamanagandi Govindaraj Garu, నా ముందే భజగోవింద స్తోత్రంలో ఆయన ఏమంటాడంటే, జ్ఞాపకం చేస్తున్నాను మీకు, వయసిగతే కామ విచార చీనే రే కక్కాసార భజ గోవిందం భజ గోవిందం భజ గోవిందం. ఎంత మంచి మాట చెప్పాడంటే శంకరాచార్యులు, వయసిగతే కామ విచార. When once our age is advancing, we stop thinking about our desires. Our desires also get retarded, should retard. Vayasigate kama vicharaha. How like chine neere kakkasaraha. When water dried up, it is only a pit but not a tank.
Right.
Cheru anaru, adi gunta antar. నీళ్లు నిండితే సరస్సు అంటారు. అట్లా కాసారము అనేది, ఐ మీన్ జలము అనేది కామములు, కోరికలు. ఆ నీళ్లు ఉన్నంత వరకు దాన్ని కాసారము అంటారు. నీళ్లు డ్రైప్ అవుతుంది, అవ్వాలి, అవ్వకుండా ఉండదు. సో మన అదే ఎందుకు అంటే కాలము కారణం. ది టైమ్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ది టైమ్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎదర్ ఫర్ కాసార ఆర్ ఫార్ human being. So vayasigate kama vichara. But ఈ కామ విచారం టోటల్ గా డిస్ట్రాయ్ అవ్వాలంటే somebody must there to pull you.
Oh, from Kesara.
You want to go to her, somebody must drag you. You yes. Want to go to cinema theater always. Even 80 years people like to go to cinema theater with youngsters. Because that is the nature. And moreover, as age advances, people get more attached to indriyas. తాత పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటావా అంటే, నాకెవడు పిల్లనిస్తాడు రా అంటాడు, కానీ నా పెళ్లి వద్దు అన్నాడు. తాత will not say, I don't want marriage. నాకెవరు ఇస్తారా ఈ వయసులో పిల్లలు, who will offer a daughter to me at this age అనే ప్రాబ్లమే. కానీ అయ్యో ఎనఫ్ లైఫ్ అవి లివ్డ్ అనేటువంటి వైరాగ్యం రాదు అంటాడు శంకరాచార్య. సో then that is like that. So రుద్రుడు ఏం చేయాలి, వాట్ హీ షుడ్ డూ ఫర్ అస్? మనకున్న బంధనాలన్నింటినీ లాగేసుకోవాలి. బంధనాలు వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత we become empty. When you become empty, you are clean and you will be eligible. And that's why in that Rudra has been declared as the biggest thief. Nunchanam pataye namaha, stenanam pataye namaha, Taskaranam pataye namaha. You observe? So he is the pati and he is that. Why he is a taskara? Because మనలో ఉన్నటువంటి కోరికలు మనం విడిచిపెట్టలేము. వాటిని తీసేసుకుంటే ఇంకా అటువంటిది మళ్ళా చిక్కదు. కాబట్టి షాప్ లోపల we forget about it slowly. In America, if you buy a good today, next time when you go, that good won't be available at all, because something different. So that is the possibility. That means things are all changing too much. But our desires must also accordingly vibrate. See that we develop vairagyam. So ఆ వైరాగ్యం రావాలి అంటే ఆ వైరాగ్య పురుషుడైనటువంటి మహారుద్రుడే అధికారి. Rudra is the only authority who can give you lot of vairagya. Therefore, because he is yatinam yatihi, though Aishwaryam is standing before him, he is never wanting anything for himself. If you go to a shop, you will purchase goods, dress for your grandkids and kids, but never for yourself. Nakendukama and musalavalu antaru. Chinnavallu andru. They will take one more. Like that, Muchiya Mamrutat. And now onwards, you have got the Rudras. Where are they staying? You must have locations for Rudra. So that all the Rudras are, some Rudras are in Agni, in fire, some are in waters, some are in plants and herbs, Oshadhishu. So most important, Agni, the fire, water, Oshadhis or plants and herbs, these are the most important things in the nature, without which nobody can live. Nobody can live without fire, without water, without the plantations. So Rudra is there in them, he entered there. And Vishwabhuvana, Rudraha Vivesha. So he Vishwabhuvana means not accepting A, B, C, D up to Z. He has taken his entry into all of them. Therefore, to such universal manifested Rudra, I am just making namaskara. What more I can do? Something like Rama. What gift can Rama give to Hanuman? So he simply spellbound and silent. Rama gave a hug for Hanuman. That's why it became Ramanjaneya. So Ramanjaneya temples are also there, where you see Rama. And if in Bangalore, I think you have one such Vigraham in the Nandi Betta. Govindra Vellarandi Nandi Betta.
Nandi Betta I have gone, but don't remember, sir.
So in the Nandi Betta, if I know long years back, I went there. So there is a Ramanjaneya embracing each other. That's why here it is called Namaha Astu. And because of number of reasons and Mahima of Rudra being taught to us, being impressed to us, now the Rishi is asking, what is that? Tamushtuhi yasvishuhu sudhanvaha yo visvasya chayati bheshajasya. Manju garu chappandi, Manju ore heli. Yakshvamahe. Repeat. Yeah, he is not there. Anyway, Govindra, please
Yes,
tell.
sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ekshva sir tamushtuhi yas vishus sudanva yo vishwasya kshayati beshajasya yakshva mahe sau manasaya rudram namo bhirdeva masuram duvasya.
Here onwards, the Rishi is making an argument. Why you should worship him? Why we all should worship him? And he appeals to everybody. Aya, let us all join. Ekshvamahe. It's a group thinking and group performance. If you want to do Rudra Homam, Rudra Japam, Rudra Parayanam, you gather your own friends. You know, in Bangalore, we have some groups, 11 people form a Rudra group. They visit the houses and perform Rudra Parayanam, Rudra Abhishekam and all that. And I don't know now. And there are Rudra groups. So they go to places. So Tamushtuhe. Why should you praise Rudra? Because Svishuhu Sudhanvaha. He is having a number of powerful arrows with him. Arrow means protective sadhanas. And not only simply having the arrows with him, he is also a skilled archer. He can send the arrow anywhere and see that protection is extended. Therefore, he is called as Sudhanva. In the lore of archery, Dhanurvidyadalli Nishnatanagiravanu Mahanubhava. Nobody can be matched for Rudra. You have seen Arjuna was tested by Rudra, Shiva, before he grants Pasupatastra to him. Because Pasupatastra, we don't know whether Shiva, whether Arjuna used Pasupatastra at all, but before war, he went and did tapas at the advice of Krishna and became a mendicant and pleased Rudra, and Rudra tested him, and both of them, he came in the form of a hunter, is no story. The arrow killed Rudra, Arjuna's and Rudra's arrow both simultaneously hit the bear and then it died, and there was a competition. They say they want to claim the animal to themselves. So Rudra claimed it, Arjuna claimed it. But ultimately, the contest is solved, and Rudra revealed himself and presented him the Vasupatastra. Like that, he is called Sudhanva. He is a wonderful archer, and not only that, he is the source for all medicines on the world. So he is called as Bheshajasya. He is a Bheshajaha, means he is the repository of all medicines. Andike Rudra Dhyana you have to do, you want to get rid of it. Any rogam, he will be Roga Bhanjanaha Rudraha. And he is called Vishwaha Bheshaji, Rudrasya Bheshaji Shiva. So we have already noted that anything that is coming out from Rudra, he is a healing. He is a remover of all our difficulties. Therefore, here he is called as Bheshajasya Chayati. Vishwasya Bheshajasya Chayati. He is the one who removes all sorts of diseases. Chronic, non-chronic, symptomatic, asymptomatic. Oh, number of types of diseases are there. All of them he will just try to remove. See, cancer, asymptomatic disease. Blood pressure, asymptomatic disease. See, people don't know there is a blood pressure in the body. Simply they will depart. Like that, Bheshajasya Chayati. And again, one more time. So why are you doing it? That means, next sentence, Yachva Mahe Sau Manasaya Rudram Namobhihi Devamasuram Duvasya. Raman Garu Chapandi. Are you there?
Ekshwa, yeah, I'm there. Ekshwa Maheshau Manasaya Rudram Namo Bhirdeva Masuram Duvasya.
Please continue. Another mantram. Ayam
me hasto Bhagavan ayam me Bhagavattaraha ayam me Vishwabhe Joyam Shivabhimarshanaha.
So let us understand here that see, Tamushtu, he, like that he appealed. Our Rishi has appealed to all people. Please make honor to Rudra. Don't consider him as a deadly god, as a ghastly god, as a Rudra. No, he is a very pleasant god. So you just try to help him or praise him. Your praise will make him more and more stronger. But basically, he has got very powerful weapons. He has got high skill in employing the weapons or arrows with his bows. And on the other hand, he is a healer for all sorts of diseases that people are being suffered. And therefore, he appeals that let us all gather together to offer a number of namaskaras to Rudra. Rudram Namobhihi Yachvamahe. How to appease Rudra? Just a namaskara. You don't do anything. Why? Because Rudra is Surya Bhagavan. And you know that Namaskara Priyo Bhanuho, Abhisheka Priyo Sivaha, Alankara Priyo Vishnuho. and Yamaha. Like that, we have got the most liked feature of certain gods or individual gods. So that's why Namaskara is the only right measure, inexpensive one. See, you need not spend Naya Paisa to say Namaskaram, to join our fold, to hold your hand. So, Rudra is an inexpensive god. He has least money to maintain what is there, what are his possessions. He need not spend money for the serpents, because the serpents live by air. They don't want kitchen and food offering. So whatever Rudra has got are highly inexpensive articles. Therefore, and ugly also. We never ask Rudra to give what he is having. But we can ask Vishnu to give his Kaustubha or Pitambara or all that kind of wealth. But Rudra is absolutely Bola Shankar. Nothing. Gundu. A Gundu with the aim posna, Emi Petkoda Anda Ichestan. He will not keep anything, whether it be honey or any or sugarcane juice or milk or curds or ghee or anything. He will not keep upon his head, he will give it away. So that is the Tyaga Buddhi. So because of that kind of rejection to all the pleasures, how would be the mind? Saumanasaya. Mind will be very much free. So the mind is having Sukha Manas. If you want to have the mind calm, you must get rid of certain things which will bother you more. Angri hogbeku, hogbit bandre agoitu, angri kalsa. So your mind is free, visiting the shop and bringing what you want. So that is all temporary somanas. But permanent is one which you don't start, which you stop desires. Buddha is too cruel. He says kill desire. He uses the word kill. But in India, no killing the desires. Withdraw them. So withdraw all your thoughts. Keep your mind clean is Indian thought. But Buddhists say that kill desires. So killing means ruthless. One has to do that. Anyway, so Saumanasaya Rudram. And who is this fellow? Devam, Asuram, and Duvasya. So Yachvamahe and Duvasya or Duvasva both mean the same. That is, he will be able to remove or drive away all the follies and sins that we have got. మనం ఎంత చేసినా డట్టు ఇరుక్కునే ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు అంటే త్వగస్థిగతై సర్వపాపై అస్థిగత. త్వక్ means all sins will be sticking to the skin. So we have to wash our skin to make start of removing all the dirt in our body. Therefore, we say like that. So ayam ne and saumanasaya rudram. And for all that, what is responsible? The hand is responsible. Hastavasi. So after puja, what is the connection? That ayam me hasto bhagavan ayam me bhagavattarah ayam me vishwabhesha joyam shivabhimarshanah. Govindaraja, repeat cheyandi. Ayam me hasto
Ayam me hasto Bhagavan. Sir. Ayam me hasto Bhagavan, ayam me Bhagavattarah, ayam me Vishwabhesha Joyam Shivabhimarshanah.
Continue. Ete sahasramayutam.
Ete sahasramayatam pasha mrutyo martyaya hantave tan yajnasya mayaya sarva navayajamahe mrutyave swaha mrutyave swaha.
Let us understand this. What a nice development. See, when you write an essay, you divide your essay in paragraphs, in sections, and see that it becomes a wonderful writing. In the same manner, our Rudram, its style is so beautifully put because it's spontaneous one. There is a lot of rhyme rhythm, and music, sound value, and music value, everything is there. Therefore, when you have asked the god Rudra, Saumanasam, one, and Asuram Dvasva, whatever Asura Buddhi is there in us, that is Rajasa Tamasa Vrittis are there in us, all that should be driven off. On the other hand, Rudra is Asura. Asura means the strongest person. Sura means weak. Asura means strong. Rakshasas are stronger people compared to Devas. Therefore, Devas are called as Suras and Rakshasas are called as Asuras. So Asuram Dvasva means highly strong God is Rudra, and he has to drive away all our sins. And our right hand, Ayam me hasto Bhagavan. So my right hand is a divine. You know, whenever you touch the Sivalinga for puja and all that, that you do it with the right hand. So right hand is a fortune provider or fortune attractor. Therefore, me hasta ayam, this my hand, Bhagavan, rich, fortunate. Ayam me hasto Bhagavan, ayam me Bhagavattaraha. So, also not that Bhagavattaraha means another degree of comparison, more and more Aiswaryuktam, and also Ayam me Vishwabheshajaha Ayam. See, my hand is having such a healing power. By touch with hand, so many beneficial things happen. Hasta sparsha. So first Astodakam samarpayami, Padodakam samarpayami, Achamanam samarpayami. You are doing all these three upacharas, more important, because your hand, that's why, you know, now COVID-19, everybody is advised. When you call anybody, that BSNL fellow repeats the song. Wash your hands, cover your mouth and nose, and don't touch your eyes. So this kind of instruction is being given because hand is the best source to catch infection and spread infection. Therefore, there is to be sanitization of your hand. And therefore, why? Because that is the entry point for all good and bad. So Bhagavan, the word Bhagavan means the hand is so sacred that through hand only you can make all those things. Ayam me hasto and Ayam me Bhagavattaraha. And not only that, Vishwabheshajoyam, this is the Bheshaji. Vishwabheshaji means repository of all medicines in the world. Even Sanjeevani or whatever medicines are there, Ayurvedic or allopathic or any other medicines are there, all. That's why in earlier days, you know, Hastavasi, our doctors, they used to talk. Doctor used to make compound medicine or mixture, and with his hand, he used to hand over to the patient. Now things are different. The doctor gives only white paper fully filled with the medicines. So that is the Hastavasi of the doctor. Sometimes you will not, nowadays the electronic life is so much that in email they send the medicine list directly to the shop, medical shop. Anyway, no, we had some such thing because you touch with your right hand Sivalinga, and that Sivalinga sparsha is really adrushtam, fortunate, and therefore Siveswabheshajoyam. Abhivarsana is swiping. You swipe or you touch the Charalinga or Sivalinga, then because of the power generated, because due to the touch that you have made to Sivalinga with your fortunate hand, the hand is fortunate to touch the Sivalingam. And therefore, what would happen is you are trying to loosen all bhavabandhas, pasha, mrutyoni, all pashas, all attachments, all these things you are detaching. You know what is Vedanta? Vedanta could be said in two words, attachment, detachment. If you are attached to another thing, you are detached to other thing. Unless there is attachment, you cannot have attachment. Unless you have got attachment, you cannot afford detachment. So
Yes, sir.
life is full of attachment and detachments. And that's exactly what Chinmayananda once told a person who asked him, "Sir, I have no time to listen to your 90 minutes lecture. I have to catch my bus to go to different place. Tell me what is Vedanta you are going to." Then the Chinmayananda told that fellow, no, don't you catch your attachment, detachment. Remembering these two words, you catch your bus, run. So that's what he told when one of his lectures in Blackpalli High School, Bangalore, when I attended in Shivaji Nagar. So there was in that playground, big pandal was put and he was talking about it. So here also, Abhimarshana is important. Swiping.
Right.
And again you have got Martyaha, Martyaya Hantave, Ayutam Sahasram Pashaha Jante. See, to make the man born on the land to die, there are hundreds and thousands of dangerous accidental things are there. Left leg ఎత్తిన తర్వాత రైట్ లెగ్ పెట్టేంత వరకు సేఫ్టీ లేదు. అదేమో అరటిపండు తొక్క ఉందంటే జారి పడతారు కిందికి. అందరూ అంటారు, ఎందుకు రా నమస్కారం చేసావు భూదేవికి అంత అర్జెంట్ ఏంటి అంటారు. పీపుల్ సే యూనివర్సిటీకి ఎందుకు భూదేవికి నమస్కారం, పడ్డాడు కష్టమైందని కాదు, భూదేవి నమస్కారం చేసినామని తృప్తి. నో, అమ్మవారు అట్లాంటి నమస్కారాలు అక్కర్లేదు అమ్మవారికి. ఎనీవే, సో Martyaya, for a man prone for death, is called Martya, and for him, Hantave. Hantave means to make him troubled, injured. Hantave, for getting injuries, there are hundreds and thousands of unlimited bondages are there. Pasha means ropes. There are innumerable kinds of ropes are there to make the man fall and get injuries. So you don't know ABCD of them. What you do is you just collect them together. Tan yagnasya mayaya sarvan. Tan sarvan. All those sahasra ayuta pashas, I bundle them together. And what I am doing? Mayaya sarvan avayajamahe. What Maya it is? Yagna Maya. Maya means Shakti, power. So with the power of the Yagna, whenever you do some puja, you are experiencing power in you. What is the power? Punyam. So you say Namaskara and then Yani papani me bhadre tani nasam sadakuru. You make a prayer. Similarly, Yani kutumbam mama rakshaya. Amma kutumbam, all my family members. So the entire Vishwam is a family for us. Not only your family, small family in the house, the Vasudhaika kutumbam. That is the concept which our Veda religion, which our Hindu religion has taught people. Vasudhaika kutumbam. That is, the entire universe is your family, and you are the member of the entire universal family. If that were to be the concept, we have no problem. So Vivekananda, when he said all brothers and sisters of America, people were amazed. What is this? A fellow coming from India, a monk, calling us all brothers and sisters. So that is the concept. Even today, in Theosophical Society, the speakers will start that for all my invisible and visible friends and brothers and sisters, I speak out these things. Because I attended and I gave talks also in Theosophical Society. They start the speech as visible, invisible. So here also, Sahasram Ayutam Pashaha Yagnasya Mayaya Avayajamahe, make them dull. I would make all these things dull and see that they are removed. So for what I am doing, I have to seek the permission of the Mrityu Devata. ಮೃತ್ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ, ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಅಂತ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಯುವರ್ ಆನರ್, ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ somebody can raise. The ಮೃತ್ಯು ದೇವತಾ will rise. Therefore, we have to first appease him 2 times. ಮೃತ್ಯವೆ ಸ್ವಾಹಾ, ಮೃತ್ಯವೆ ಸ್ವಾಹಾ. Swaha means namaskaram. So we make namaskara for the mrityu. And finally, please repeat Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Vishnave. Chapandi.
Yes, sir. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Vishnave Mrutyurme Pahi Prananam Grantirasi Rudroma Vishantakaha Tenannena Apyayasva Sadashivom.
Now you see the conclusion of the entire Namaka Adhyayam in the last 2 lines. Who is this Rudra ultimately, all said and done? He is a Bhagavan. Rudraha Bhagavan. Not simply is Aishwaryavan staying at one place, but he is a Vishnu. He is present any and everywhere in the universe. He is in the Agni, he is in the water, he is in the plants and herbs, he is there in Antariksha Loka, he is in Bhuloka, any and everywhere. Wherever you want to name, there are a place, in that place Paramatma is there. So Vishnave. So what is your final request? Mrutyuhu me pahi. Because I am born, I am prone for death. But I don't want untimely death. See, some people, when people die, they say, Papa, people will have some revision of talk. Okay, అయ్యో ఇంకో 3 రోజులు ఉంటే బర్త్డే వస్తుంది వాడికి, 90 అయిపోయేవాడు, 80 అయిపోయేవాడు అని అనుకుంటారు. People always have got regrets at the death boy, death person. కాబట్టి మే మృత్యు పాహి. ఓ భగవాన్ రుద్ర, see that I would have only matured death, not untimely death. If you draw your FD after maturement, you get more benefits. In between, if you want to cut your FD, you lose 1% of that. So there is always danger to have untimely operations. Therefore, we are making a prayer that let us not have any untimely things. Mrutyurme. Why? Why are you praying like that? The Rishi is telling you, Rudra is the Grandhi of pranas. Prana is the life energy in us. And there is always a seminar held in our, Rishi Goshti. As you see in Sadhavada Brahmanam, tomorrow you are having the lecture on Brahmanas of Yajurveda. I request all of you to attend to that Vastu Shastra. Brahmanas are the text for Vastu. There, so pranas are being protected by the Rudra, who is a Vastu Purusha, who is a Vastavya, who is a Vastupaya. So Rudra is taken as a Granthi, gland. Gland means always it gives you juices necessary. See, when hunger is there, there are so many glands waiting to help the digestion in our body. So when all glands are ready to supply food, their juice to the food we take, then that will be a right time. That's why people advise, keep up the right times for your meal, for your breakfast, for your lunch and all that, because it will be healthful operation. That's why Granthi Rasi, Rudra. And moreover, where are the all pranas deposited? Visham. In all people, all pranas are there. So, who are the source wherein all the pranas are deposited? ఎక్కడున్న ఈ ప్రాణములు అంటే మనుష్యుల్లో ఉంది, బతికిన వాళ్ళలో ప్రాణాలు ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి అందరికీ ఆ ప్రాణాన్ని తీసేసేవాడు ఎవడు అంటే అంతకః ఈజ్ యమ. సో రుద్ర ఈజ్ ది ఓన్లీ one person who has to approve to make the prana of the living beings get out from the Shariram. So prana utkramana or prana jivana or prana pravesha is depending upon the sanction and approval of Rudra. Beautiful. We have no authority howsoever anywhere. Therefore, he is Antaka and he is a Srishtikarta. So Rudra is at the beginning, at the end, and during also. So during the life, he is their guardian. To get the life, he is the guardian. And to exit from the body or to get out of the life is also guardian. Therefore, what is that you can do? Tena annena apyayasva. So apyayasva means please become pleased, appeased. So what we have to do all time, appeasement is important, because the gods are known for apyayamanaha, apyayamanasasva. In Agnihotram, we have a formula. So who is Agni? Apyayamanaha Agni, Apyayamanaha Rudra, Apyayamanaha Surya. All gods are tenable or liable to get appeased. మనం ప్రార్థనలు చేస్తే కోపాన్ని తగ్గించుకొని కరుణను చూపించేటువంటి కెపాసిటీ ఉన్నవాళ్ళు దేవతలు, మనుషులు కాదు. జీవితాంతం కోపం పెట్టుకుంటారు. ఎప్పుడో ఏవో చేసింటే దాన్ని జ్ఞాపకం పెట్టుకొని జీవితాంతం ఎనిమీస్గా ఉండే మహానుభావులు బోర్డు మంది ఉన్నారు. ఆ రోజులో వాళ్ళు అలా చేశాడు అని చెప్పి అదే కోపాన్ని నర్చర్ చేసుకుంటూ వాళ్ళు కష్టపడతారు, ఆ వాళ్ళని కూడా కష్టపెడతారు. హోప్లెస్. బట్ కాదు, మన రుద్రుడు ఎలాంటి వాడంటే ఇఫ్ యు మేక్ యక్ష్వామహే ఆర్ ఇలాంటి గ్రూప్ థింకింగ్ ఆర్ ప్రేయర్ చేస్తే he becomes pleased. So tena annena apyayasva. చెప్పండి. ఓం నమో భగవతే.
ఓం నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ
విష్ణవే.
ఓం నమో భగవతే రుద్రాయ విష్ణవే మృత్యుర్మే పాహి ప్రాణానాం గ్రంథిరసిరుద్రోమా విశాంతకః తేనాన్నేన ఆప్యాయస్వ సదాశివోం. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
So the conclusion of the Rudra or Namakadhyayam is very, very significant. And whatever number of qualities and powers and attributes are given to Rudra, ultimately he is described to be Vishantaka. He is Yama to all people. What is Yama? Without having any kind of sentiment, when time clicks, he will take away the life. So Rudra and Yama are both the same. In fact, you know, Markandeya episode of Mahabhagavata, if you see, Rudra became so much irritated when Yamapas had touched his lingam, when Markandeya had embraced Shivalingam. So instantaneously Rudra came up, burnt Yama to ashes. Because again all gods requested him, Yama was brought back to life and he was given the same job. He was dismissed and brought and again appointed in the same job with same capacity because of the petition done by all people, all gods. So this is an interesting point. And Shiva used his third eye only on 2 occasions. One to destroy the Kama, another to destroy the Maranam, Anta. So that's why Rudra is great. Rudro Mahan. Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. We say Bharat Mahan because of so much of things. Like that, Rudra is Mahan because he is there at the creation point, he is there at the exit point or annihilation point. So, and even though he is having such a mighty power, he is liable for appeasement. That's the most important feature. ఎంత కోపంగా ఉన్నా కోపాన్ని తగ్గించి క్యాన్సల్ చేసేటటువంటి కెపాసిటీ భక్తుడికి ఉంది. So when the bhakta makes a prayer like that, the Rudra becomes appeased and then he will grant. In Sivananda Lahari, Shankaracharya has spoken so greatly about Rudra Shakti or about the features of Rudra and the Bhakti. What wonders can Bhakti work upon? Rudra Bhakti is simply a wonder worker for human beings. So if Bhakti, unnaru mi ammagaru.
Amma has just come, sir.
Namaskaram amma.
Namaskaram.
So Bhakti undante Kaliyugamlo Namasmarana, Bhakti, these are the two most important. So Ramasmarana Danyopayam Naipashyamo Bhavatarane Rama Hare Krishna Hare Tava Nama Vadami Sada Hare. So this is what even Rudram tells you, that when you say Yatshvamahe or Abhisprasamahe, so these are all the verbs which will tell you Sivalingani Muttukoni Tudichi Sanavain Tarvata Malla Petti Pooj Cheste ఈ చెయ్యికి పవిత్రత వస్తుంది. ఆల్ అఫెక్షన్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ ఇన్ ది హ్యాండ్ విల్ గో. అందుకే హస్తవాసి అంటారు. పాపను అమ్మ జో కొట్టితే చెప్పకుండా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ది క్రయింగ్ బేబీ బికమ్స్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ హ్యాపీ వెన్ ద మదర్ ప్యాట్స్ ద బ్యాక్. సో దట్స్ వై ఈ చేతి లోపల అంత శక్తిని పరమాత్ముడు పెట్టి ఉన్నారు. Therefore, Ayam me hasta Bhagavan. So the highest attribute given for the hand is the Bhagavan ante Aishwaryam. Anta Aishwaryam చేతిలోనే ఉంది. అందుకే చక్కగా వడ్డిస్తారు. ఈ బఫెట్ డిన్నర్ అనేది రాక్షసులు పిశాచులు తింటారట. ఎవరికి వాళ్ళు తోడుకుంటూ వేసుకుంటూ ఉంటే సెరెనిటీ శాంక్టిటీ డన్. మన వాళ్ళు చక్కగా ఆడ్డాకు వేసి అన్ని వడ్డించి నెయ్యి వేసి ఎక్కువ విష్ణుర్ మహద్భూతం చెప్పి హరహర మహాదేవ అని స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఎక్కడ పోయిందండి ఆ సంస్కారం? ఇండియాలోనే పోయింది. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తానండి. సో వీఆర్ లూజింగ్ ఆల్ భగవత్ శబ్ద ఇంపోర్ట్. దేర్ఫోర్ more medical shops, number of nursing homes, corporate hospitals, they just జలగలాగా డబ్బును పీల్స్తారు కానీ ఆరోగ్యం ఇవ్వరు. జలగా అది పూర్తి బ్లడ్ తాగిన తర్వాత అదే పడిపోతుంది. ఎవరు మధ్యలో లాగితే ప్రాబ్లం. సో జలగలు ఏం చేస్తాయి? జస్ట్ లీచెస్. దే ట్రై టు సింప్లీ సక్ బ్లడ్. లైక్ దట్ ఆర్ కార్పొరేట్ హాస్పిటల్స్. ఏమీ లేదు, తలకాయ నొప్పిని పోతే 3 రోజులు పెట్టుకొని పెద్ద బిల్లు చేసి చెన్నైకి నీరు కుడిది అని చెప్పి పంపించారు. ನಾರಾಯಣರಾವ್ ఆయన 3 ದಿವಸ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ. ಆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಯಂ ಮೇ ಹಸ್ತೋ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ರೀಸನ್. So we have concluded the Rudram today, and most auspicious Shashti Subramanya Swami's place. So on this day, and next onwards, I start with Chamakam.
That's all.
When we have done 175 times Namaskaram, we have got a big list of desires, permanent desires, common to all people born upon the world. Not only for one religion. Actually, there are 167 religions in the world.
Yes, sir.
And so many countries, more than 200 countries are there. 200 దేశాల లోపల 176 రిలీజియన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్రతి ఒక్కడు రిలీజియన్ లోనే పుడతాడు. Everybody is born in religion, lives in religion, dies in religion. But our religion, no religion says speak untruth, kill all animals. Every religion teaches behavior, but we only deviate from the behavior. Rudram also is one who teaches behavior to us. Tyaga buddhi, బూడిద మన కైలాస పర్వతం నుంచి నిన్న బూడిద రాలిందట కేదార్నాథ్. అది ఆ వీడియో చూపించారు నాకు. అంటే గంగ పడేది మేములే, Okay, the Shiva is only known for Vibhuti.
Hmm.
So that Vibhuti is the one which we know. So anyway, so I just conclude. If at all, next
sir.
time when we meet, if you have any doubts, please ask me.
Definitely,
And
sir.
you spend some time to clear our doubts and start the Chamakam.
Yes,
Chame chame అంటే plus 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 plus. Only C plus plus 3 plus లే ఉంది C కి. But మన చమకంలో 374 pluses are there.
Wow.
చమే 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 అని 375 సార్లు
Mhm.
ఆ 11 అనువాకాల్లో ఉంది. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. అంటే
Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి చెప్తే మన జ్ఞాపక శక్తి పర్ఫెక్ట్ కాదు. ఇది తీసుకురా ఇంకోటి తీసుకురా అని అంగడి పోయిన వాడికి ఫోన్ చేస్తుంటారు ఈ రోజుల్లో. ఇది
Mhm.
మర్చిపోయినాను అది మర్చిపోయినాను అని అవన్నీ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ అక్కడే ఉంటాం, మన అంగడిలోనే ఉంటాం వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ది కాల్స్. సో ఆ చమే 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 ఇస్ దట్ ఇట్స్ ఎ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్
Yes, sir.
లిస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఆల్ డిజైర్స్,
Yes, sir.
మెటీరియల్, స్పిరిచువల్, పొలిటికల్, అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ అండ్ ఎమాన్సిపేషన్. అండ్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎవరు చెప్పారు అంటే వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ అల్టిమేట్లీ. సో బృహస్పతి రుక్త మదాని శగుంసి విశ్వే దేవా సూక్తవాచ. మంది కాదు, అన్నీ దేవుళ్ళు చేసి పెట్టిపోయారు. మనం వాట్ ఈస్ డన్ బై గాడ్స్ వీఆర్ కాపీ. మనంతా కాపీ క్యాట్స్ అలాగే మనం కాపీ చేస్తున్నాం. దేవుళ్ళు ఏం కోరుకున్నారు దాన్ని మనం కోరుకుంటున్నాం. సో ఓకే అండి, స్టాప్ హియర్. ఓం
Thank you, sir.
స్వస్తి.
Om Swasti.
సహనావతు చెప్పండి.
Sahano Bhunaktu. Namaste. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
హరి ఓం.
Hari
సర్వం
Om.
శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. శ్రీ రుద్ర అగ్ని అర్పణమస్తు. సర్వం శ్రీ కృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. మాతృచరణారవిందార్పణమస్తు. ఓం తత్సతు. మీరందరూ కాన్స్టెంట్ గా అటెండ్ అయిన దానికి కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
Thank you, sir. We are blessed.
అనుగ్రహం మన మీద శ్రావణ మాసంలో రుద్రుడు వెంకటరమణ స్వామి అందరూ ఒకటే. సో అందులో రుద్రాభిషేకం శ్రావణ మాసంలో చాలా శ్రేష్టం. ఆరుద్ర నక్షత్రంలో. సో పీపుల్ డూ ఎవ్రీడే రుద్రాభిషేకం ఆన్ శ్రావణ మాసం. కార్తీకము మాఘమాసము దట్ ఈస్ సపరేట్, బట్ ఇన్ శ్రావణ మాసం రుద్రాభిషేకం ఈస్ ప్రశస్తి. సో దట్స్ వై your Shravana Shanivaram we are able to conclude our Rudra Adhyayana Bhashyam as our Rama Sharma termed it. So we are able to talk about Rudram. Bhashyam is Bhasha. What Bhasha is there in the Rudram? ఎటువంటి భాష ఉంది అంటే మన రుద్రం లోపల మనకు అనుకూలమైనటువంటి స్పిరిచువల్ టాక్ is there. There is no mundane talk, but it turns into a spirituality. సో చాలా సంతోషం.
Thank you, sir.
God, శ్రీరామ్.
Yes.
ವಿಷ್ಣು ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪುವಿನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣುಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ರೌದ್ರಾವತಾರ ನರಸಿಂಹನಿಗೆ ಆ ನರಸಿಂಹ ರಾಘವ ಸಿಂಹ, ಯಾದವ ಸಿಂಹ, ದೇಶಗರ ಕವಿ ತಾರ್ಕಿಕ ಸಿಂಹ, 4 ಸಿಂಹಾಸ್. ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ನರಸಿಂಹ. ಸೊ that Rudravtara in Narasimha Avatara, so direct. So
ಈ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್.
ಹೌದು,
ಆಯ್ತು ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸಹಸ್ರ
ನಮಃ 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 ಅಂತ more than 400 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಇದೆ.
correct.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಅಂಡ್ ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳ ವರ್ಷ ಮಳೆ.
ನಮೋ ನಮಃ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
Agli, sir. Thank you, sir. Another question meet ಮಾಡೋಣ.
we'll meet there.